What up, man? We back one more time. Today I'm gonna be doing an analysis on AMC because I've been pretty interested in AMC here lately. We lost a lot of ground on AMC. I know the apes are looking for AMC here lately too, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my analysis, man. Hopefully y'all can mess with it. So we just gonna start out right here with this previous top that we had at 1681. That was back in August. So we're gonna draw this volume profile right here to the current low, which I think is the lowest that it's been in a minute. So let's just draw that in right there. So I'm looking for a return at least back to POC, which is right at like $7.38. So a return to POC would be about a 79% move. That's decent. We have projections on AMC Entertainment Holdings to $4.50. Based on our forecast, a long-term increase is expected. The AMC stock price prognosis for 2027 is $15. Within a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 270%. So let's look at that. Over the course of 5 years, you're looking at 270%. 270% divided by 5. You're looking at about a 54% move per year. That's decent. That's decent. So this move back from where we are, because we got fear. We got some fear in the market right now. And it looks like we're still on a decent downtrend. But optimistically speaking, whenever we get fear, you can see right here. Let me draw that in. You can see right here, fear is a good indication of movement in the opposite direction. So is greed. So you got the greed at that top up here, started to move down pretty heavy. So, and oh crap. You can see back here, you got a little bit of fear right there. You got a big move up. You get fear, you get a pullback. So we're not looking for like 1,000% move. We're just looking to come back to touch POC. And that's assuming we can break these 200s that's above us. We got a lot of 200s above us. But even if we just come back to this low value area right here, that's still a 24% move on the stock, and that's huge with option contracts. So what I would be looking for is a $5 call from where we are currently. So let's draw this trend line, because I think I see a trend. Not quite, because it's only touched twice. Because it didn't touch right here. It almost touched. If it would have went up a little higher, it would have, but I can only see probably like once where it retested, but it touched twice, if you include that first one. So I'm not sure if this is a actual trend, because again, we only got 2 touches. You need at least 3 for it to be considered an actual trend. So patience is key, man. We due for another pullback here. Since our last peak, which we came back to that, you see this touch at this major 200 area right here. This big thick 200 is the main 200 moving average. It's a real big that's a real big support resistance area. Depending on what the overall trend is, it'll give you a good indication of what the trend is. Even up here, you see we moved up and we wicked down heavy that same day. So we're looking at maybe we could come back to PLC If we do and we don't hold that PLC, then we're looking for a huge rejection from that. Because last time again, you see we tried to push above PLC, but that 200 was just too close. So you had, what's that, from here to where we are, you had a 56% move down. So if we move back up to PLC, that'll be like a 70-something% move, which is decent. That's decent. So I wouldn't necessarily make any solid decisions based on the day chart right now. Let's see if we look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks a little bit better. Let's open this up. There we go. The 1 hour looks a little bit better. Let's take all of this out. And we can draw that back in. Right here. Take that previous high down to the lowest point. Okay, so right now, on the 1 hour, we're sitting at PLC. And this is, even in the short term, it's a downtrend. It looks like we could be having a reversal right here on the 1 hour. Not really banking on it to hold, but it could be. Just not enough. It's not enough information in here for me to call it. I don't got enough signals. Like right here, my stochastic RSI pumped all the way from being oversold to overbought, and we didn't really move much. But when I came from being overbought to oversold, we moved way bigger. So that's interesting. Although both of my VBSM and my RSI here is telling me that we might be moving up. So it's a lot of indecision, just because we moved a lot. So it's just a fact of waiting. Not any big decisions need to be made right now on AMC. It's just one of those times. Even though AMC is a really good stock to trade, especially when you're playing options, contracts are cheap and they move a lot. But yeah, I can't in good conscience call it to say that it'd be a good buy right now. Whether that's in buying a put or a call, I wouldn't call it right now. If I was gonna make a call, it would be back up to probably like 550. But I gotta get a confirmation from that first. So if y'all want to keep up with this confirmation, then come join the Discord. I post all of these analysis and stuff that I do in there. And if I end up making a call on this, then I'll end up posting it in my swings or in my leaps. I don't normally day trade AMC. I only day trade Tesla and the SPY. Excuse me. I only day trade Tesla and the SPY. But from what I can see here, the short term is down like everywhere. On every front, the short term is down here. So we're due for a big move pretty soon. Here we go. I see something I like here on the 30. Yeah, at the $5 mark. It's not asking for too much for a pullback to the $5 mark for sure. But again, I need the confirmation. Actually, the 30-minute looks pretty solid. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So on the 30-minute, let's zoom in here. On the 30-minute, you got some pretty solid signals here. We're above my 200 moving average on the 30. So short term looking like it might be bullish. We've been above that for 2 days now. So the last time we were above the 200 moving average for 2 days, we broke down heavy. So this will be a good thing to watch for. Wait for Monday. If we don't gap down on Monday, then we might be looking for a consolidation here. Probably bounce between 415 and around 392 for a couple days before we make a big move. But it's looking decent. If we moving up, we're gonna have a consolidation for sure. If we move upwards from this point, it'll be a consolidation, which gives people time to buy some good contracts. Let that premium get ate up before you buy into it. That way, you know, you have you a good cheap contract, man. That's what I like to play. Good cheap contracts. Yeah, see, even when we get green here, you don't really get much motion on the upward moves. On the last uptrend here, you can see you had some good motion. But my probability don't even know what's going on here. You switch between green and red because it's probably going to be a consolidation. But that's okay. I'll keep everybody updated in the Discord. Make sure y'all go join my Discord. Link will be somewhere down here. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to see more of my analysis, you want to keep up with the analysis that I do them on TradingView all the time. And from TradingView, I post them in my Discord with the calls that go with them. So if you don't do nothing else, join the Discord and come back here to watch these videos. There will be videos posted Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So be here. And that's it. That's it for the video. Remember, man, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Peace, love, and all the above. I'll talk to y'all later.